Black cream.
Woo! Shot overslap.
So soothing.
Shit they don't like, shit that I write. Love to see the newcomer challenge my mic before you get endless flight. The champion of the tour challenges Hercules might. So started you bite up the arm, strength in your mic. Off with your head for the John of others whom will challenge my mic. Before he stands out in the open when they brilliant light. Colors not shown, but this and others all but a light. Attracted to it like a moth, flying towards the street light. Never know if he will redeem himself. Shit they see they light. It all wants you to do exactly what the champion aims to do. For my woman to tell me, just remember that you a dream for me too. But it's not for me to get drunk from that brew. I'd rather just fuck you and it directly into the suit. I'm not talking, I will. The visit beforehand, but here you accused not to be real. You yourself for a line till it was get recruited as you will. But no stand after the floor form begins to flow with the wheel. I block as I will. Nothing before still could ever challenge my will on my right. As a cold still reflects blinded light. The third beforehand be held, blocking the response to fight or flight. Amplify the pain within the tears I cry. I was left alone, but I found a way to say aloud. One of the two, when I do it, slept between you and I. Pick up what you made, but the boy's mine. I keep my eye. Grown to be a legend, never sparing none who did not. The ones that picked their pride had wings, but I walked through the fire. Constant with the look down on me, constant with the never. I put myself up in a position. I don't wanna claim that that's a lie. Bound for a minute just to recalibrate the thoughts I face when I didn't have a rock or a place to be to let it out. One or two. Time's forgotten, a relic of a minute attempt to replace what it does. It just continues to double up. You just gonna keep on bubbling up. It's gonna come a day you stop, whatever you enjoy gonna feel a pop. And on that day speculate, cause what you gonna see is what you been without. I'm just gonna move off the block, niggas gonna move where you not. And hey, your bitch ass wishing that you would've moved different instead of moving like you got. What if I call it karma? If in that time fate exists, one thing to be learned from it all, ain't no insecurity too. Yeah.
Black cream.
Did it all for those who done for me, including those who didn't see, including those who didn't care, never wanted a word for me. Put my benchmarks, I cut to nothing but new benchmarks. Not seeing the sign in the past, I done nothing but try and try. Face isolation put me on the path that they ever held. So my luck could have changed, but then again, daughter for help for real. I was out to taking shots, trying to put me down. I'm being for real. Never know that true intended to play for nature. No, so for real, it stays on my mind. Paranoid always checking behind. Niggas flying kites, but a daughter feeling one checking for mine. The way I learned it out to be. Somebody always watching me. Somebody out there sold they soul just to try to get the best of me. Keeping cameras around me, know where my soul can only go so deep. Need to be close knit like a net in the sea. Probably by a cross penny just to keep eyes on me. Cause though I may lay to my rest, I might not rise from my sleep. To be the words of the wise, so that henceforth open my eyes. I'm just a dripping ocean, but I'm still open to surprise. Ambition keep me a couple steps ahead. People betting that I rise. Was an underdog until I was challenged to challenge my own mind. Yeah. Believe it when I say, nothing stays the same, so there's no identical day. Constantly working to make the burden easier as far as all the next day. But I'm still yet to see the fruits of my labor get right today. Hard as I fight that, for me it's gonna be a day. But I'm keep on working away, making my best out there for when I lay. Something about the cosmic order of things that just keep on finding a way. Until it comes that day, honest, if you just keep on chiseling away, it's bound to break on it if I keep on striking away. Hoping people forgive me for the way I keep on turning away. This the day put my soul and being on it. If I can make it a turn, I need to see the tag upon it. Cause if it's starting to sound, I can put some weight upon it. Never to be the one living for the moment when I own it for anybody, so I'm not on it. I'ma get it if you want it. Try to stay sanguine and generous about it, but I compromise all upon it. The fire will warm, but also burn if you want it. Pass it out to the next, and I promise that you won't want it. Not if anyone can match the lyrical raise.